Want to know how to log out from booking.com? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your URL and type in booking.com right here. And make sure you are logged in as well. So once you have typed in booking.com here, you should provide it with this interface. And once you're under this interface, logging out is super simple. So on the top right side, you should be seeing your logged in profile. So you can just simply select it first. And now once you have selected it, here you should be seeing various options like my account and much more. So in order to log out, you can just simply select sign out right here on the bottom. That should be right below save. And once you have selected it, in a single click, you should be signed out. So if sometimes they ask for confirmation, you can just simply select confirm as well. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.